Welcome back. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Let's continue from where we left off. So just come here to App Shell. So App Shell, what we're going to do, we're going to change from landing page here. We're going to put our onboarding page there. So just do this. There we go. We put our onboarding page there. Then save. Just click that away. Then let's run. I'll be back. Okay, so we're back, just waiting for it to load. Just take a few more seconds and things like that. So yeah, all right, here we are. So as usual, we're going to start like this. Come to the onboarding page. No, not the C# one, the XAML. The onboarding page, and the first thing we'll do is this: shell.nav navbar visible equals false. Okay, navbar visible equals false. So hot reload, and okay, that top part should disappear. So we don't need this here. Can get rid of the label. So we're looking at this today. So we're going to do this UI design. So what we're going to do is create a grid. So we'll do from here to here. We'll do 80, then here 10, and then here 10. So that should be 80, 90, 100. A grid with 3 rows. Okay, so let's keep that there first. So grid, okay. Let's just comment that out. Okay, so that should get rid of those lines. So grid, we're going to do row definition. So row definitions have row 0 dot 80 star row 0 dot 10 star, that will be row 1 dot 10 star, that will be 0 1 to row 2 there. Then okay, let's save that. So that should disappear. Then let's come for the background color, background image source. That's a new one that wasn't there last time. Okay, so come here. So when we're here, we'll select this, we'll double click that, then we'll select this color. We'll just copy that, move that back into place. Then we'll come here, background color, hashtag, yup, save that. Then that's our background there. So to save time, we're going to do this. Okay, we'll get this, which we did in the previous video. We'll just get 1 2 3 4. So this should be in a vertical stack layout already. So we'll just get those. So come here, landing page. No, not that one, this landing page. Okay, so what we're looking for, okay, so this will be without the thing loading bar. So we'll just copy this up to there, just copy that. Then we'll come to the onboarding page. So onboarding page, we'll put that there, but this will be in grid row 0. Then we'll come and remove this. Okay, then we'll get this, then we'll cut it out, then we'll come and put it here. So this will be in we'll get that, Control C. So this will be in grid row 0, 1, and grid row 2, there like that. Then a vertical stack layout, let's just okay. Okay, so save, or yeah, hot reload. Let's see now what we're going to get. Okay, so there we are. So we'll just work on the buttons for this one here. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to put a horizontal stack layout. So horizontal stack layout. So this one we'll move it from, we'll put it here. So grid row 0, grid row 1, grid row 2, 1. So we'll put that there. Then we can hot reload. It won't show the buttons just yet. Okay, then we can come here. Button content layout, no. Okay, button text. Let's give it a height for starters. Okay, so we come here. So this one, the height is 39, the width is 162. So I'll come back here. 39 width, width, okay, width request. So that will be my request. Height request. Then 162. Okay, 162 there. So you can just save that. So to load it, let's get a look at our button. Okay. All right. Let's see first. So corner radius, what do we have here? Corner radius, the usual 20. So just come here. Okay, so let's Control S that. Okay, that looks good. Horizontal stack layout, let's see. Horizontal options. See if we can bring that to the center. Okay, that's in the center there. Then background color. Background color. Let's get a background color. Oh, there it is. Copy. Okay. So hashtag. Then okay, there we are. And Control S. Okay, so that's the first button. Let's get the text color in. So text color, we'll get this color here, coffee black. I'll put that there. Then okay, it's propagated on its own. All right. Okay, then we'll do that. Then we'll copy that button and we'll do this. Just paste that button into place. Except this one will be sign in. Sign up, sign in. Okay, then okay, let's hot reload. Let's see. Okay, sign up, sign in. Then horizontal spacing. Okay, so spacing horizontal, let's put 5. Then save that. Then okay, then vertical options, center, because that's not in the center if I'm not mistaken. Oh, no, not this one. Let's get that. Let's see. So this is here. Okay, so we're going to do this. So let's see, horizontal. Okay, vertical options, not center, for the email address. So this one will be end. So let's see. Okay, so that looks okay. So let's put some margin. So margin 0,0,0,0. Okay, 5 at the bottom. Yes. Okay, that looks okay. Then what happens if we put this at the start? Let's see. Okay, there we are. And that should be one-to-one approximation of what's here. And yeah, that looks good. Okay, so this is the end of this video. So look at the next video. We'll look at this in the next video. So review sample Z piece. I'm out.